Hey, welcome back to edtech by Meera, and in today's lesson we are going to do Python sets. We had done Python lists last week, and this time it's going to be Python sets. So there'll be some differences that you will notice. So without wasting much time, let's get started. What is a set? Now, set is also similar to list, like we group some items together, but there are some differences. Like, for example, in the case of set, we don't use square brackets. We use curly brackets or curly braces. Yeah, so that's the first difference. So let's see. This is an open and closed curly braces or curly brackets, and inside that we use our items. Now here, this is a string. I'm using names as strings, persons' names. Now it could be now sets also, like lists, can store either strings or numbers or booleans or a mix of all three. So it's the same in that case. But the first difference is it doesn't use square brackets, it uses curly brackets. So now I list the items, I write the set and then print my set. So when you print, you get these items which is there in the set. So let's check it out. There you go. Mary, Jerry, and Tom. Okay. Then let's go back to our main PY and do more things. Now, some of the properties you'll be studying here, which identifies sets. So in a set, it's not like the items are not mutable or not changeable, and though you can add or delete items, you can remove items, you can add items, but they cannot be changed as such, and duplicate items are not allowed. So let's see what we mean by that. So here I'm adding Jerry to one more Jerry to it. So it's a duplicate item. But when you print out, there you go, Tom, Jerry, Mary. Only one Jerry here. It will not allow the duplicate items separately. And one more thing, you've seen the order. It has no order at all. Tom, Jerry, Mary. But initially, when it was inside the set, when we had written it, it was of a different order. So every time you print out the set, order will be different. Sometimes it will be the same as what you had printed. Sometimes it will be different. You can figure that out now. So that means order is random. It doesn't exist as by order of, there you go. Now Mary has come first. So it's unlike list, it doesn't exist in index. It's not indexed, in other words. So let's see some more properties. So number one, no order. Number one, it uses curly braces. Number two, no order. And number three, duplicate items not allowed. Now let's see what happens when you write a boolean. You can also write a mix of string and boolean and numbers. So this is what I'm doing here, true and then 7, and then I print out my set. So see, all of them are coming up. The true is also there, 7 also there. But as you can see, the random order has changed already when you print out. It's not like in the original what I'd written. So that is the most important thing. Index doesn't make any sense here. Okay. Now after I write true, I write 7 and 1. Now let's see the magic. See, where has the 1 gone? True is there, 7 is here, 1 has disappeared. Why? Because in a set, true, the value of true and value of 1 is treated one and same. So when you write true and 1 together, 1 will be ignored and true will be written. There you go. Okay, now I write false. False. Yes, false. False is another boolean, right? So I write false and then I write comma 0. Where has the 0 gone? Disappeared. So it's the same as in the case of true being equivalent to 1. So the value of false is equivalent to 0. So when I write false and 0 together, 0 gets ignored and false will be taking its place. So 0 doesn't appear because it's the same. And then there's already a false and then again a 0, false, false. It can't be like that because duplicate item not allowed. So only one false will come. So as you can see, every time I print out for different examples, order is completely changed. Yeah? So this is what I'm trying to say. So let's see one or two more examples. Okay, you want to find the length like we did in the list. So you want to find the length of a set, like how many items are there. So print length my set. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items are there, right? So those items will, the length will be calculated accordingly and you'll get the answer. If you write print length of my set, length my set L, using the length function which is written in short len, the len function. Now, if you want to have if you want to create a set, you can create it in a different way instead of just writing the values and then giving it, allocating it a name. You can also create another set from my set. So, if you write my set equals set with the double parenthesis, like exactly the way we created lists. So, that was list constructor. This is a set constructor. So it's called a set constructor when you write set and then the double parenthesis. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to create a new set, construct a new set with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I allocate it to my set. So print my set. What happens? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there in a set for you. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, mind you, it's within the curly braces, which means it is a set. Set is always within curly braces or curly brackets, unlike lists which are in square brackets. So this is just to show you because you've already done lists. So now you are doing set, so you would know the difference. So remember to subscribe and smash that subscribe button if you haven't done already, because this is Python for beginners, including course as well as projects. In my next lesson, I'll be doing tuples, because tuple is also another inbuilt function as well, and it will help you to list together, or rather group together different items together. So basically, whether it's a list or a tuple or anything, it's helping you to collect items together. So now, if you want to access items in the set, what do you do? For x in my set. My set I've already created above 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for x in my set, print x. Simple as that. You can access it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can easily access it. So basically, you know, like what are Python sets? Basically, when multiple items are is kind of collected together and assigned to a single variable, which is a built-in data type, then it is called a set. So basically, it's like a collection. And in the case of set, it is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed. Yeah. But remember, you can add or delete items. And I'll be showing that in another lesson, which will be set methods. That will be more complicated than this. This is just a basic introduction of how you collect items together in a set. So mind you, set is not a function. List is not a function. It's collection. It's a inbuilt data type where you collect or group items together. So you have set, list, dictionary and tuples. So I will be doing tuples in my next lesson. After that, the dictionary, because you'll be using a lot of these in your projects. as I've done earlier, but now I decided to explain the concepts also before doing more complicated projects. So, there you go. Do remember to smash that subscribe button and the bell button for more such lessons and going ahead for your Python journey.